Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on Facebook Professional Mode. So let's get started. For that, open up your Facebook application on your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once you've logged into your account, go ahead and simply tap on the menu icon right over here. Inside here, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile icon again. Now, once you're inside your profile section, go ahead and tap on this three dot. Now inside here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then you'll be able to find turn on professional mode. Go ahead and tap onto it, then select turn on. And just like that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on next and select your default audience. Once done, tap on next again and then tap on go to professional dashboard. Here, Facebook will show you an overview of professional mode feature. You may also be asked to enable public posts and finish a quick setup. Just follow the on-screen instruction, and once you have done that, when you go back to your profile, you can see it will display digital creator under your name and you will have access to your professional dashboard with insights and tools. That's it. That is how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.